and getting that video. All right, taking a look outside up north in Taos, a pretty nice start to your Friday morning after some storms around the northern mountains and even right here in the metro on your Thursday evening. But things are quiet for the most part in central and western New Mexico, sitting under a lot of sunshine, and temperatures not too bad right now. Upper 60s in Albuquerque, lower 70s in Santa Fe at 72 degrees, 73 in Grant, and the lower 70s as well in Roswell and Carlsbad. So temperatures pretty much comfortable all across the state this afternoon, and that will be the case as we head into the later afternoon hours. We'll climb back into the lower 80s. Satellite and radar showing plenty of clear skies all across the state. Just some spotty showers around the Gila leftover from the action that occurred last night. But once we see that sunshine later on today, we'll start to see more showers and thunderstorms, especially in central and western New Mexico. We're not talking about a lot of action, but that chance for some hit or miss storms will continue throughout the day. What we are watching as we head into Saturday and Sunday is this big storm system that's still spinning off the Pacific coast. That will be diving to the south and to the east as we head into Saturday and Sunday, and it's going to take its time tracking across the region. So we'll start to feel its effects tomorrow and then continuing into Sunday and Monday. So for today, not too bad. Temperatures into the lower 70s by 1 o'clock, and then later on this afternoon, temperatures topping out in the low to mid 80s. So if you are headed out to the Lobos homecoming game tonight, not too bad, but keep your eye to the sky for that slight chance for an isolated storm later on tonight, especially along the central mountain chain and to the west. But outside of that, a few clouds and mild temperatures for tonight. Tomorrow, that's when things really get interesting, especially for western New Mexico ahead of our next storm system that arrives tomorrow into Sunday. And then by Sunday, we're talking about a better chance for central and western New Mexico to see some hit or miss storms, only a slight chance in the far eastern portion of the state. And then by Monday into Tuesday, that storm system is still going to be tracking through the region, so it's not going to move very fast. So we'll have that off and on chance for showers and thunderstorms beginning tomorrow, basically lasting into Tuesday. And behind that storm system, temperatures falling back into the 70s for highs. So it's going to feel a little bit more like fall by the middle of next week, and you'll see that here in your extended forecast beginning in Durango, Pagosa Springs, and Cortez. Today, temperatures into the upper 70s, lower 80s with a slight chance for an isolated shower later on this afternoon. But a better shot for rain arrives on your Saturday and Sunday. And take a look at that temperature drop that I mentioned earlier. That's what you'll feel on Sunday and Monday, with highs falling back into the middle to upper 60s. Over to the Four Corners, temperatures into the middle 80s in Farmington, 80 degrees in Grant, 83 and Gallup. Temperatures will stay in the 80s for your Saturday, but with that storm system moving through, we'll see our storm chances going up by Sunday and temperatures falling back into the upper 60s for highs by Monday. So likely needing a light jacket as you head back to work next week. Into the southwest, temperatures into the 70s and the 80s with a chance for some hit or miss storms later on today. That chance for storms continues for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Then we'll dry things out by the middle of next week. Into the southeast, we're going to be dry for today. Only a slight chance for an isolated shower around the Sacramento Mountains. Temperatures into the middle to upper 70s, and then into the northeast, dry today, but then we'll see our chances for showers and storms really go up by the second half of the weekend into next week. Temperatures going from the 70s only into the middle to upper 60s by next Tuesday and Wednesday, and then over to the northern mountains will be dry today for the most part, with a slight chance for an isolated evening storm. A better shot for showers on Saturday and Sunday. Then over to the east mountains, temperatures into the middle to upper 70s to near 80 degrees with a slight chance for a few storms this afternoon. And here in the metro, kind of like your Thursday, will be dry to start, and then you'll notice a little bit more in the way of cloud cover later on this afternoon, bringing that chance for a spot storm. And then our storm chances go up for Sunday and Monday, and highs falling back into the upper 70s by next week.
Okay, thank you, Chris.